Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade lemonade, step by step. First, gather your essential ingredients. About 6 to 8 fresh, ripe lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. You will also need a large pitcher, a sturdy lemon juicer, and a stirring spoon. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's get that wonderful lemon juice. Roll each lemon on your counter with firm pressure. This helps extract more juice. Then halve them and use your juicer to extract all the liquid. Aim for about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. For the simple syrup, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of hot water, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. This ensures a perfectly smooth, sweet base. Now it is time to combine everything. Carefully pour the fresh lemon juice and the cooled simple syrup into your large pitcher. Next, slowly add 4 cups of cold water. Stir the entire mixture thoroughly for about 30 seconds to ensure all ingredients are well combined. This is the crucial moment to taste your lemonade and adjust it. Add more water for less tartness or a little more simple syrup for extra sweetness. Your delicious homemade lemonade is now ready to be served. Fill your pitcher or individual glasses with plenty of ice cubes to keep it perfectly chilled. For an extra touch of elegance and flavor, garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of fragrant mint. Serve it immediately and enjoy the wonderfully refreshing taste of your handcrafted beverage. It is perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.